I was born and raised here in Chicago. I come from a large family. I've always loved fashion. I've always loved learning and reading, and also I really love to help people. I decided to go to school for fashion design. After graduating, I didn't know where I wanted to go, but I didn't want to just return to school just for the fun of it. How will it in turn help me in the long run? Allure Events and Design is a company that I have where I am hired by nonprofit organizations to do fundraisers for them. That was something that I wanted to give back. That was something that I wanted to contribute to the community because I knew that there was a need, particularly anti-human trafficking. I can use all of my assets, all of my talents, and all of my resources to do these events for them. All of those things I learned here at National Louis University. I use those same skills now when I'm working with these anti-human trafficking organizations. The things that I'm doing in the community is making an impact, a very positive impact. And I know that for sure because I'm the one sometimes up at midnight talking to one of the young women that I mentor or going to their homes to give them food. Like, these are real stories where I am there for them. It's just a good feeling to know that you can make a difference. I feel blessed to have met the people that I've come across, to even be allowed to work with these organizations and to touch the lives of people that are in very unfortunate situations. And I feel that I have definitely made a difference, and I know that it's from the security, the positivity, and the focus that National Louis gave me. Being a part of that master's program, it gave me structure in a lot of different ways, and it just fueled something in me that I didn't even know that I had.